guys, this is Patricia Holmes. We are working in chapter 5, this is part 2 video. And next we're going to, work together to animate this file. The software actually does all the animation. We're just setting things up for it. So let's continue where we left off. So next what we're going to do is, if you remember the first video, this particular animation monkey was holding a skull. And so what we're going to do is we're going to switch that out now, because right now we have nothing in here. So in the monkey layer, the monkey arm left layer, let's go ahead and click on that. We're going to come over here. Here it is, the monkey arm left out. We're going to put a keyframe of 35, 45, and 55. It's easy to remember, every 10. So add a keyframe, 35, 45, and 55. Roughly there. Okay, good. And then we are going to, at frame 45, click on frame 45. We're going to select the monkey's upper left arm on the stage, and we're going to use the free transform tool to rotate the upper arm clockwise so that the hand disappears behind the back. So clockwise, very good, just like that. So do that. And then select the spans between 35 and 54 and add your classic tween. So let's click here, add classic tween, click here, add classic tween. Okay, perfect. Next, what we're going to do in our chapter is in the monkey forearm left layer. Let's go to that. We're going to add a few keyframes. Let me push this up so you can see it better. Okay, so I'm on the monkey forearm layer, and we're going to add a keyframe on 55 and 59. So let me shrink this up a little bit so we can see it. Good. So 55 and roughly 59. Okay, and we're going to use the free transform tool to rotate the forearm counterclockwise so that the arm is completely extended. So here we go. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to go completely out like this. Good. I'm going to click. I'm going to deselect that. And then we are going to add a classic tween in between these frames. Excellent. So let's scrub that and make sure we're good. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, so next, what we're going to do is we're going to insert a keyframe in the monkey hand left layer. So let's go to the monkey hand left layer, and we're going to insert a keyframe at 45, roughly 45. Okay, and this is where the hand, at this point the hand is behind the back. Perfect. Now we're going to need to swap the hand instance, which is a copy of the master in the library. Remember, the master copy is called a symbol, and when you put a copy on the stage, it's called an instance. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap that. So at frame 45, which we're still on, select the hand on the stage. It's already selected. And in the object tab in the property panel, hit swap icon. So here's the property. Click the object. Let's close this up so you can see all the options here. So click the swap icon. So look right here. Here's the swap icon right here. Click it. And the software wants to know, hey, what do you want to swap it with? And we are going to be looking for the skull. So select the symbol monkey hand skull down. There's a few of them. So we want the monkey hand skull down, just like this. And click OK. And it switched it out. You're getting ready to see it in a second. And then insert a keyframe on this layer on 55 and 59. And then we are going to rotate the monkey's hand on the last frame with its arm level. Then we're going to apply the motions between. So the classic tween. So here we are, we're on the last frame. Let's go ahead and rotate it. It already is rotated, it comes out. Let's just add the classic tween. Good. Let's scrub it, use the blue playhead to scrub it. Okay, good. Now, what we're looking at here is that the hand, let's enlarge this a little bit. The hand here is holding the skull, and we want to switch that. We want the hand to hold it correctly. So we're going to insert a keyframe per the author's request on frame 60, which is just 1 over, let's see, the last one's 59. Here we go. So insert a keyframe right next to the last keyframe. We add it. And then what we're going to do is we are going to swap with the hand skull. So come over here, click on Properties, Object. We're going to swap that with hand up instead of hand down. Hit OK. And now you can see the hand is in the right position. We can turn it if you want. So there, the hand just turned around like that. It's pretty cool. Okay. And we're going to add motion guides. We already did add motion guides to that. Okay, good. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to work on the fly, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the fly for the next video. So let's stop here. Thanks for listening, and pick up part 3.